Hello, I'm in a 2002 Ford F-150 and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll go down and we'll look for this lever and pull this. That releases the safety that holds the hood shut. And if this is really loose, double check that this cable is attached here. If there's no cable, that's something you might need to address. But now we'll head up to the front. And you should see the hood slightly loose now, so you can reach your fingers in here. But there's a lever right here that we're going to push and lift. So push and lift. And then there's an arm here that you can use to hold the hood up if you choose. So you just lift that up and you can stick it in these holes in the top. And if you're lucky, these hydraulics might hold it up for you. But this is what the release lever looks like. Double check it's nothing bent or broken, no debris stuck in here that needs cleaned out. Maybe try some WD-40 if you need to loosen it. And this is what the top looks like, where it's kicked onto. Again, make sure nothing's bent or broken. Make sure your hood's also in proper alignment, because if it's crooked, that could cause you issues. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.